Now come to the cost control and cost reduction. What is the cost control? The process of monitoring and regulating the expenditure of funds is known as the cost control. When we monitor and regulate the expenditure of funds which are used in the organization, this is known as cost control. We have to monitor all these costs to control the cost in the organization. In other words, it means to regulate and control the operating cost in the business firm. Features of the cost control. Cost control process involves setting targets. Firstly, we have to set target in the cost control and set standard ascertaining the actual performance of the organization, comparing the actual performance with the standard performance and investigating the variance and taking corrective action. It aims at achieving the standard. The aim of cost control is to achieving the standard. It is preventive function. In cost control, costs are optimized before they are incurred. It is generally applicable to items which have standards. It contains guidelines and directive management such as how to do things. Aspects of cost control, as we discussed earlier, the planning, initially a plan or a set a target or a set a standard to establish in the form of budget and standard. Communication, the next step is to communicate the plans to those who responsibility to implement the plan. Motivation, motivation is defined as a process that initiates, guides and maintains goal-oriented behavior. We have to motivate all the employees, and we have to motivate the guides also to take initiative and maintains the goal-oriented behavior in the organization. Appraisal and reporting. Time to time, we have to make a report and we have to evaluate the performance of the organization and the employees also. And after that, we have to make comparison. Has to be made on the predetermined targets and the actual performance. The deficiencies are noted and discussion is started to overcome the deficiencies. Decision making, finally corrective actions and remedial measures are taken to set the target and revised depending upon the administration understanding of the problem. The main areas of the cost control, the material we have to control in the business, the labor, the overheads. Overheads are carrying cost, electricity cost, indirect labor cost, communication cost and the overhead cost. The sales and the energy. Energy is what the crude oil jumps to 31% high. And now come to the advantages of cost control. It helps the firm to improve its profitability and competitiveness. When we control the cost, it is also improve the profitability of the firm. It also helps the firm in reducing its cost and thus reduce its prices. It is indispensable for achieving greater productivity. If the price of the product is stable and reasonable, it can maintain higher sales and thus employment of the workforce. Disadvantages of the cost control: reduces the flexibility and process improvement in the company, restrictions and innovation, requirement of skillful personnel to the set standards. So reduces the flexibility and process improvement in the company. We have to reduce the flexibility. We have to restrict on innovations. When we innovate and when we introduce a new product in the organization, we have to make restrictions on such cases. Requirement of skillful personnel to set the standard. We have requirement in skillful personnel, skillful staff in the organization to set standard and to make efficiency and effectiveness in the organization. So these are all the techniques how we can control the cost, budgetary control, cost, standard costing, inventory control, ratio analysis and business analysis. These are all the practical portion of this subject. We will discuss in our next lecture. Now come to the cost reduction, the process of identifying and eliminating unnecessary costs to improve the profitability of a business is known as the cost reduction. In the case of process of identifying, when we identify and when we eliminating the unnecessary cost, and improve the profitability in the organization. This is known as the cost reduction. When we minimize the cost and maximizes the profit, features of the cost reduction, it is just similar to the cost control. Cost reduction is not concerned with the standard. Cost reduction is the final result in the cost control process. Cost control is concerned with the standard of the organization, but cost reduction is the final result in cost control process. It aims at improving the standard. It is a continuous process and dynamic and innovative in nature. We always looking for the measure and alternative to the how we can reduce the cost in the organization. It is a corrective function. This is applicable to every activity to the business. It adds thinking and analysis to action at the all level of the management. Now come to the techniques of the cost reduction, organization and method. We have to make some plan and methods to control the cost and to reduce the cost. Work study. We have to study on all the parts and all the tasks of the organization. Material handling. We have to restriction on material and properly handling the materials in the organization. Automation, value analysis, variety reduction, production control, designs, material control, and quality control. So these are all the techniques of the cost reduction. Now come to the cost management. What is cost management? The process of planning and controlling the budget of the project. When we plan the process and control the budget of the process, this is known as cost management. When we manage the cost, when we reduce the cost and control the cost in the organization with proper management, cost management predicts the expenditure and reduce the project from going over budget. In cost management, we have to predict the expenditure. We have to make some raw structure on that expenditure. What are the standard and what are the actual performances going in the organization. After that, we have to make a plan and we have to make a budget and to control the cost. Why it is important? Identifying each of the cost within your project. We have to identify each cost. We have to ensure that expenses are approved before purchasing. Expenses we have ensure that we have excess expensive to for the purchasing in the organization. Keep a central record of all costs incurred. Control the overall cost of the project. Keep your project and financial plans up to date. We have to make a plan. We have to make a project on financial plans and keep to up to date all these plans. What does it include? And what the things include in the cost management? First is budget. We have to make budget. The benefit, maximization of the profits, the spending, our expenses, and funding the ROI, return on investment. How it is done in project? Cost management plan, cost baseline, activity cost estimate, and performance measurement. We have to make some plans on the cost management. We have to make a baseline as the basis of the cost. Activity cost estimate, we have to make estimate at the basis of standard and the actual performance, and measure the performance is the last step.